If you're getting the unsupported graphics card or driver error in Blender, here's how to fix it. So to get us started, open your browser and search for Opengl 4.3 download and press enter. Click on this link. And before downloading anything else, check your system's architecture first. Open File Explorer, right-click this PC, and click Properties. Check if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, download the correct DLL file based on your system type, and once downloaded, extract the file. Now, locate Blender's installation folder. Right-click the Blender shortcut, click Properties. Click Open File Location, and find Opengl 32.dll file. Right-click the DLL file, select Open File Location again, and then drag the new file into the folder and replace the existing one. And that should fix the issue.